Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to upload custom pictures or artworks to your Steam profile. First, open your Steam app. If you do not have it installed, go to the official Steam website and download the latest version. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click your profile name at the top of the page and select View My Profile from the drop-down menu. On your profile page, click the Artwork tab. Click the Upload Artwork button. Choose Not Game Specific to upload an image that is not tied to a particular game. Enter a title for your artwork. Click to upload your image file from your computer. Make sure the file format and size meet Steam's requirements. Add a description to give context or share the inspiration behind your artwork. Set the visibility to public, friends only, or private based on your preference. Confirm that you have the rights to post the artwork. Click Save and continue to upload your artwork to your profile. And that is it. You have just uploaded a custom picture or artwork to your Steam profile. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.